Regardless of the industry, identifying an ideal location is one of the most important decisions a business owner can make. Montana Site Selector syncs with the Northwest Montana Association of Realtors MLS feed to provide up-to-date commercial listings. The application also provides entrepreneurs unparalleled access to the critical infrastructure, demographic, and socioeconomic data needed to analyze properties to determine whether or not a proposed location will be an appropriate fit for the business. For example, let's say we own a specialty bike shop in Whitefish. We have had great success there and are looking to expand into the Kalispell market. We believe that, in order for the expansion to be successful, the location of the new store must meet certain criteria. We first want to filter by our most basic requirement. We want to lease as opposed to buy, and we need at a minimum 1,000 square feet. Site Selector will zoom in to the selected area, and all properties that meet our search criteria will be displayed. From here, you can save promising sites to review later by adding them to My Properties. Here, we've narrowed down our search to 2 prospects in 2 very different parts of Kalispell. One downtown and the other in the newer commercial development north of town. We can use the Layers feature and Custom Reports feature to feed us the necessary data that will allow us to identify the site that will aid in, and not hinder, our success in the Kalispell market. We are first going to turn on the Tapestry segmentation layer. This data divides residential areas into 65 distinctive segments based on socioeconomic and demographic characteristics to provide an accurate, detailed description of local neighborhoods. This information provides insight into potential customers' changing tastes, product preferences, and spending patterns. For more insight into each of these 65 segments, please visit the help guide. We can compare the retail spending potential of households within a 5-mile radius of each location. This represents the amount spent on retail goods relative to the national average of 100. We'll also want to know how many cars drive by each of these locations every day. We'll also want to run a business summary report to evaluate competitor locations against each of our proposed locations. We also can use this report to compare daytime population to residential population to better understand market demand. Lastly, once we determine the location that will be most conducive to our success, we can quickly locate the contact information of the listing agent to learn more.